Hello guys and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from CodeRevolution. So today I will show you how to use the advanced keyword queries in the Newsomatic plugin. So this can be entered here in the search query string settings field. And in this video I will show you strictly how to use advanced queries in there. So let us jump straight into this. I will not cover anything else, any other settings fields, just this in this video. So let me first create my first rule. I want to import from any source. Let's create 5 posts for demonstration purposes only. And in the search query string I will define some rules. So let me describe first how this works. So for example, if we write fastest laptop, in this case the plugin will search for keywords like this. It will search for fastest or for laptop. So you will get articles that contain the word fastest or laptop. This will mean that you can have some articles that contain the word fastest unrelated to laptop. You will have some articles that contain the word laptop unrelated to fastest. And you might also get articles about the combination about the fastest laptop, but keep in mind in this setup you will not necessarily get articles about the fastest laptop. If you want to get articles strictly about the fastest laptop, use quotes. So this is how you should make a search query that searches for fastest laptop. So let me demonstrate this for you. For example, Trump White House or Trump gone. This is just an example. So let's save this. Sorry. So first of all, let me check the site. It should be empty. Yeah, this is my test site. And also uncheck the auto get featured image to make processing and importing faster. And if we run importing now, we will get a set of articles that were already imported. So Trump gone, this is an exact match. So we can see that we got an exact match first, and afterwards we have other articles that don't necessarily also include the gone. So if we search for gone, oh, they will actually, the first ones will actually include them. However, these don't include them or anymore. So this is how the API works. It will first return the best matching result, then other results that might match, and then results that only partially match. So if we enter here now Trump gone like this and save settings, we can delete the posts that were generated and re-import them. Now we should get only content that matches the Trump gone text specifically. So this time we only got this post which contains the Trump gone. Okay, so now let me show you other things that you might find interesting. So this is how you can make exact query string search. And now let me show you how to use the required keyword search. So this is another interesting feature of the query string match in the new version of the plugin. So let's search, for example, Trump and Biden. So these are two keywords, and as before, it is an or. So if you leave a space between keywords, the plugin will interpret it like an or. So Trump or Biden. It will return content for Trump or Biden. And if we want to include both in the content that we will get, then I will show you right now how to do this. So let me search for Trump Biden, and this time it will search for Trump or Biden, and the results will be like this. So Trump, and let's search also for Biden, and we will see that all content is including both. But if we would have here some content that did not include the Biden keyword, we could force the inclusion of the Biden keyword using two ways. We could add here a plus sign, so this will force the inclusion of both keywords. So Trump is required, Biden is required. Another way to use this is like this. So Trump and Biden. Please note that the and word must be uppercase. So hit the caps lock and write and. And this will tell the plugin that this is a keyword that matches the requirements. So Trump and Biden both need to be added now to the results. And let's delete content, re-import posts, and we will see that if we refresh here, we should get similar results because we already had all posts matching. So we can demonstrate this better with the Trump gone example. So let us save this and let me force the gone keyword. So now both keywords must be included in the article. And let me delete this and re-import content. Refresh. So now the Trump and gone keywords must be included in the articles. Note that they must not be next to each other, but they can be just anywhere in the article. So you will see that the gone keyword is also there. Here it is probably after the content is cut and it is not visible anymore. So yeah, this is how you include the Trump gone in keyword. We can also force keyword coverage like this, and if we delete posts and re-import them, we should get similar content. So refresh it and gone. Yeah, here it is. Okay, so this is how to import content using advanced queries with the Newsomatic plugin. So use the plus to force keywords. Also use the plus to force other keywords. And one more feature that I want to show you is the negative keywords. So you can add a minus here, then the plugin will import content which matches Trump but does not contain gone. So let me demonstrate this with you. So plus Trump minus Biden and save settings. Let's delete all content, run importing, and now the plugin should import content that matches Trump but does not match Biden. So we can see that it does not contain this keyword. So these are the main aspects of the keyword search for the plugin. So you can match exact query strings like this. You can use keywords with plus or and to match the keyword as a requirement. So the keyword must be matched for it to be imported in the article, and the minus sign, which will be used as a negative filtering. So if you don't want to include some keywords in the results, just prepend them with minus, and the plugin will skip posts that does not that actually contains this keyword will not be included in the result set. So keep in mind, if you enter a simple space, then the plugin will search for Trump or Biden. If you enter a plus here, the plugin will search for Trump and Biden. If you enter text in quotes, then the plugin will search for text that match exactly the phrase you entered. And if you enter text with minus, then the plugin will search for this word and not for this word. So articles that contain this word will be skipped and not included in the results that the plugin posts. So this is the way you can use advanced search queries in the Newsomatic plugin. I hope this video was helpful, and I managed to show some advanced queries that I managed to implement to the Newsomatic plugin in its new version. And let me know if you guys have any ideas based on this in the comment section of the video. If you don't know about the Newsomatic plugin, you can go ahead and check it out. It is linked in the video description. Thank you very much for watching until the end. Have a nice day, stay safe. Please subscribe to this channel, it is really appreciated. Bye bye.